Hello everyone, welcome to all. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about the AWS and Terraform. So we are going to complete one AWS lab SNS topic we are going to create with the help of Terraform. But before going to directly jump on a lab, here are the few prerequisite or requirement before going to start the activity or a lab. So we required the one visual code editor. I have one AWS account. You can create your own free trial account. And we also required user access key and secret key to set up uh, to set up the user between visual coder and AWS account. Third and fourth and fifth one is you need to install CLI version. So you can go on a AWS side. You can download for your operating system. If you are using Mac, then you can download for Mac, and then if you are using for Linux system or Windows system, you can download accordingly that file. And similar for Terraform binary file. So similarly, here I have attached one diagram that is really going to help us. So obviously Terraform is the I IAC. So infrastructure as a code, we are going to use IAC, and here is the why IAC, why it's going to it is helping us to create our infra on AWS, as well as it is actually open source. So we are going with the our AWS provider, but they it also support for Kubernetes, Google Cloud, VMware, Microsoft, and many more. So here there are few commands we need to use in our lab. So here are the few list. So not all command we are going to use, but yeah, there are few commands we really required to set up our lab, and we are going to refer a document through the Terraform registry. So here we go to our Amazon console first, and I have a code editor also. So you can let's choose our folder first, because I am not going to set up anything. So here you can see there is nothing. So I am going to choose SNS topic. Now I want to create some file to set up provider. I required a provider also. So I am going to choose provider. I am giving the same name, provider.tf. TF is the extension for this file. So TF means Terraform. And I'm going to create a one more, which is main.tf. You you can keep one file, that is also fine, but I am putting separate provider data is separate, and configuration data in a separate file. So I am keeping two separate file here. So now I have created two files. Now let's go and see some other information. So here is my AWS account. I required, as I told in the previous slide, I required one IAM user access key and access key. So here I am going to you can see one user is there. I required some credentials. So access key and secret password we required. So I'm going to create it. So you need to choose use case. You need to select the CLI, just acknowledge this confirmation and go next. So here tagline you can put as your name. So I am giving name key. So you can give the any name. So here you can see access key and secret access key is created. Now we required this one. After your lab, or after your lab, you can delete this one. You don't require to showcase, or you don't need to share with anyone. This is very highly confidential. So we are going to use this one. And parallelly, so we required some configuration from the Terraform registry. So Here is the SNS topic we are going to create on AWS platform, but we are going to use Terraform here. So you can see this option use provider. So here is the configuration. You can see we are going to copy this. Just copy, go to your co visual code editor, provider details. So you can just copy and paste here and just go and save it. After save it, you have to go terminal, just new terminal, or you can directly exit if you know the commands, shortcuts. Now, here is the terminal terminal window is open. Now you can initiate the AWS config. AWS config. As I told earlier, you need to install AWS CLI as well as Terraform binary file, and from here also from code editor also you need to install both plugins. So let's see. AWS config I have executed. Now it asks me AWS access key. So here also giving some ID, but that is my old one. I already generated a new one, so I am going to use a new one. So this is my access key. I am going to enter here. Enter. Now again I copy the secret key. I pasted, enter. Now it's asking me the region name. So here is the region. You can edit as per your request. So I am keeping the same one. And for output format I am putting none. So okay. Now our authentication or authentication task is been done. Now we are okay and go ahead with the Terraform initialization. So Terraform, I'm going to add my first command with the Terraform and our lab. So here is my first command I have entered. Now it is initializing, and it is initializing for what? For provider plugin. So you can see version, and this is installing the same version here. So let's wait once we get some confirmation with the help of this command. I have not added any config SNS topic yet. We are just added the provider, and I'm just completing my initialization stage here. So it is still initializing. Meanwhile, I'll show you guys I don't have any SNS topic on my uh, account. You can see this SNS topic. You can go here. There is a no SNS topic. Now let's go back. Still loading. Yep. See, Terraform has been successfully initialized. So and let's go now. The green signal means we are go ahead. We can go ahead next stage. Now we need a configuration. We need a configuration for SNS topic. So you can see this uh, SNS topic registry, and we have searched a SNS topic here. So this resource we are going to create. So I am going to copy this one and I am adding in my main file. I am not going to change anything. Just adding the main file here, and I am commenting that create a SNS. This it's a very normal, it's very basic, and I am just editing my name. I want to be named like this one, AWS SNS topics. So this is the name I am giving, and this one also I am changing as AWS only. You can keep the same, that is also fine, but I want to be little short, so I am keeping this short name. So my first resource syntax I have added here. Now let's initiate our uh, other commands to create our SNS topic. So my first command is I am going to validate my code. So you need to save first code. Go file, then save it. I have saved my code. Then after initialization, you need to check you can validate the code. Here is the command you can validate. So your code is successfully validated. Now you can apply, you can enter the Terraform plan command. So you can verify what kind of plan is been added. It will show you all output. So see here in a beside Terraform.tf state file is created now. Okay, here is the something pop-up. The Terraform used to select per provider and generate the following execution plan. And now this is the one. It says it's going to create. Now what is Terraform will perform the following action. So AWS topic will be created, and this is the information they have given. You can see. So I have given my SNS topic details. Just scroll down little here. So you can see in a plan 1 to add, 0 to change, and 0 to destroy. So 1 to add means 1 is going to be added. So you can see this command note. So we need to use this last command terraform apply. So I'm going to use same command here. Let's wait. Now again it is pop up. Now it's again asking the plan 1 to add, 0 to change. You can see the name which we added here, this line number 4, and this name is same. And now it's asking, do you want to perform this action? So only yes is required to type. You can just type yes and it will accept. So I'm going to enter and see it within a 0 second that SNS topic is created, and this is the SNS ARN is created. Now apply completed. Resource 1 is added, 0 changes and 0 destroy. So this is the green means we are correct. So let's go our AWS platform and just go to SNS topic. Just see. Oh, see, we have got one our SNS topic. You can just re-verify. See, just copy this one, go back, and here is the sorry. You can just verify this one, guys. Okay, now see this. The both are correct. So our and it is a standard one. But here, if you see, I haven't defined anything. So by default, it is taken as a so we know we SNS topic have a two type SNS standard sorry topic standard topic, and then first in first out. So we are going to create a second one. So first one we already created now, and it succeed. You can go here and can verify all the data. But our first SNS topic is created with the standard type. Now we are going to create another one. So I am going to go back on the registry. Just scroll down here, and you can see example with first in first out. So I am copy this syntax. I am going to add in my again main.tf file. I am just copy paste here. Now I want to again change the name. So I am going to SNS uh, SNS. Okay, I'll keep sorry name should be I'm giving same name, but just update the AWS, and here I am keeping the same. I don't want to change. If I change, then it will give the reference name as a duplicate, so I am keeping the same. And here some extra syntax added: first in first out topic, the true condition which is boolean, and duplication is also true. So other data I'm not going to change here. So now we need to create another topic, SNS topic. but this topic we are going to create with another type which is first in first out. So go and save first. If you are not going to save, your command will not execute. So here I am going to validate code again. I have saved my code. So let's wait. Terraform validate. It is validating. Now it is succeed again. Now go to the another command. Now plan again. You need to enter Terraform plan. So again it is says 1 to add, 0 to change, and 0 to destroy. But guys, you can see here name is which we just given here. But first in first out topic, you can see it is a true. See here, the condition is true for duplication as well as SNS topic. If you go back, let me go to the above, and for here for standard one it was fail, you can see here. But when you are going to create a for first in first out, it is a true, because you already no, added in a syntax. So we are correct. So here I am going to add Terraform apply now. So we are going to ahead to create our second topic, which is first in first out. So let's wait for a replay. Okay, we received a to acknowledge yes. I am going to enter yes. So here it's within 0 second our second topic is created, and here is another ARN. So you can see, let's verify our second topic is created. So go back, stop. Okay, see, earlier we created with standard, now we created with info. Sorry, first in first out. So guys, we created successfully both SNS topic. One is one with the standard and another with first in first out. Okay, so I think this lab will help you to know. Okay, suppose let me clear this all the okay. Suppose I want to encrypt the first topic. So how can I do that? Let's go again. So here is one more server side encryption. I want to enable server side encryption on my first SNS topic. I am going to copy this. Already I have created resource. I want to just enable the server side encryption. I am just copying this. Okay, I want to show you here also. Let's go first standard encryption is here. You can see encryption is disabled. Okay, and there is a no account detail, no AWS key, no KMS IRN, nothing. It is just completely disabled. Now we are going to enable that. How? So you have to go here, just add the syntax. I am just keeping the same. I don't want to modify here. I want to just enable the encryption. I have added one command. I am going to save code again. I have saved my code. So let's validate first our code is correct or not. Okay, so we got the successful. So configuration is our validate. Now let's go and Terraform plan. Let's validate. Now I'm repeating this command because there are some points you need to capture. Why? Those points are really important if you are preparing the Terraform exam. So earlier when we create SNS topic, a standard and first in first out, that time we seen plan 0 to add, and now it showcase you. Now we are going to only update one parameter. So now it is saying that 1 to change, and 0 to destroy. So you can see this is green mark, we are going to update. Now I am going to apply Terraform apply only. So let's see, we need to change only encryption, and here I am going to apply. Let's wait, and still okay, we received that update quickly. And oh okay, it is asking for a yes. Yes, I want to be encrypted. Yes, see, it is modifying and modification complete within after 1 second, and this is the topic name. And see a green mark, and go back and see our SNS topic, go to encryption, and see guys, it is configured. This is account detail, this is default KMS key, and ARN is also generated. So we are successfully updated. So in one lab we created two topics, standard as well as first in first out. We also enable the encryption. Okay, so suppose, so okay, so earlier I created only two files. Now you can see how many files are created. So there are some other steps are running when you executed this kind of command. I'll complete those call flow in another video, another tutorial. But this, I hope this lab is helpful to you. If you want to terminate this all data, all creation, okay, suppose this, you can delete from here. It doesn't mean you, if you create a topic from the Terraform, you can also delete from here. You can see I have delete option, and you want to just delete me and delete it. But I don't want to go through that one, so I want to delete from the all the topics I want to delete from the here, from the Terraform. So what command I am going to refer? So here also you are going to refer Terraform dist destroy. So this command will delete everything what you created. So here it is asking you, see now that this is a tester jet. Earlier in a first stage we see add, later we update some parameter, that time it showcase 0 to 1 to change. Now it is says 2 to destroy. So I am going to acknowledge and yes, saying yes. So see, it is destroying, and these are the two SNS topic. Is it destroyed? Dest Destruction complete after 0 second, and here it is the two SNS topic will be gone. Let's see. See, we don't have anything here now. All the topic is gone. Yep. And our lab is also over. I hope this video is helpful to you all. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and like this video as well. And see you in the next video. Thank you.